Number 10. Car Bench UL300. This system will be useful for mechanics who work on car bodywork and frames. The model shown has a lifting capacity of approximately 7.700 pounds and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. According to the description, it is a tiny version made of high-alloy steel tube and superior European technology. It is so convenient that the worker may manage the job alone, and the built-in casters, similar to those seen in supermarket shopping carts, aid in movement. And given that there were 947 million passenger cars on the world's roads in 2015, the owners of these systems will undoubtedly have a lot of work ahead of them. Number 9. Creepex The Beast. The big red AR7565B Touran is one of the most acclaimed and well-made shop creepers on the market, offering a fresh spin on a previous buyer's guide favorite. Aside from the confusion, that complex tangle of numbers and letters symbolizes the ability to divide into two, which is a useful feature if you only need something compact. Users can then stack the two sections together to create a single seat, which is ideal for working on wheels and suspension at home or just storing on a shelf. Even among the most dissatisfied customers, well-built quality is frequently praised. Its modest profile also allows it to work in particularly confined spaces. On top of all that adaptability, this creeper sticker is only $64. However, as of this writing, continuous sales have reduced that to roughly $55. The majority of concerns are minor ergonomic problems. The padding is enough for the majority of customers, however some have complained that it is a little too thin. The steel bar spacing and near 35-inch length of the frame, as well as the 250-pound load capacity, make the big red Touran a little tight for some larger folks. Number 8. Australian Turntables. Australia has made important contributions to the global community. Consider these innovative platforms, which can rotate entire music halls and also serve as an ideal automobile parking solution. The staff has worked with clients from numerous nations, including Singapore and Canada, and they deliver a personalized approach. One significant advantage is the cost-saving element of parking, especially given that one parking space in Sydney sold for hundreds of thousands of dollars in 2015. Number 7. Laser Tools CV Bootgun. The most efficient and practical method for installing flexible CV boots with diameters up to 115 millimeters. The Bootgun, designed and manufactured in the United Kingdom, uses a compressed air supply to stretch the CV boot onto the drive shaft with minimal effort. Simply connect the airline, put the boot onto the tool, stretch the arms, push the boot into place, and remove the tool. It is possible to use it for both outer and inner boots without disassembling the joint, saving time and money. For quick, clean boot installation in the professional workshop. Number 6. Jemms Nutrunner. What do you do when you need to remove several fasteners at the same time? Multi-spindle attachments with adapters for a variety of cordless instruments are useful in this situation. The capacity to find the optimal template for each individual task is a significant advantage. Drilling, countersinking, and tapping are some examples. The extensive accessory selection shortens the work cycle, and because the spindles are powered by the same motor, they also rotate at the same speed, ensuring high work quality. Number 5. 3D Wheel Alignment Stand. Wheel alignment not only improves road safety, but it also minimizes tire wear and tear. A 3D wheel alignment stand appears on your screen, making mechanics' jobs easier. The machine vision system is the major feature. Using high-resolution cameras, it builds a computer-generated copy of the suspension and compares its state to the reference model. Special targets are installed on the wheels to improve precision and make it easier for the system to aim. One significant advantage of these systems is that they can be used immediately after installation. There is no requirement for calibrating. They are suitable for usage in repair shops equipped with inspection pits and elevators. Number 4. WDT 250 Water Drain Cleaning Tool. It is regarded as one of the most important events for car gadget producers. The product we'd like to show you is useful for cleaning air ducts and drain holes. Because all kinds of debris gradually seeps in there, specialists recommend cleaning them at least twice a year. The cleaning process will be sped up and simplified as a result of this product. It's essentially a flexible wire element with textile fibers, replete with cordless drill and screwdriver mounting. The kit's packaging weight is around 15 ounces, and it's compact and incredibly easy to use. Surprisingly, they're asking $450 for it, despite the fact that it doesn't include a screwdriver. Number 3. Gator Mega Hooks. Gator Mega Hooks can hold an incredible 50 pounds, write their creators. Their goal was to provide organizational tools and accessories to everyone from housewives to expert builders, and they succeeded. Because of a strong magnet, the hook may be attached to metal surfaces in a single motion. Furthermore, the makers offer 2 sizes, 3 and 4.5 inches, as well as distinct forms. They also sell a steel plate, which is essential if you have a lot of tools. They raised over $24,000 on Kickstarter at a price of $21 per hook. Number 2. SP Tools Mechanics Garage Creeper SPR78. This creeper will delight mechanics even more, particularly if they work on buses or trucks. This model features 3 wheels and changeable ground clearance, something not all automobiles have, and the design is reminiscent of an office chair. There are 2 tool trays in the armrests and a comfortable polyurethane headrest. The chair's payload is 500 pounds. It's sturdy even when navigating, and the universal wheels are all-terrain. The cost of this useful product is $375. Number 1. Hexagon Lighting. It's a modular lighting system with the simplest installation on the market that can be used in any environment, from garages and bars to clubs and gyms. At least, that is what the seller claims. Hexagons are the basic shape, however alternative shapes are available upon request. The smallest hexagon measures 38 inches by 33 inches and is made up of 6 LED tubes that will last 60.000 hours. They are available in white, pink, or blue. And additional RGB varieties with remote color control will be available in 2023. The price each piece starts at $84.